Welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics for adult learners who want to improve their speaking, pronunciation, and communication in English. Okay, so let's jump into today's lesson. And in today's lesson, we're going to go over the names of the letters and do a recap over the sounds of the letters, the different types of sounds as well. So we'll do the names first, the names of the letters, the alphabet. Okay, so the alphabet, here are the names of the letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so those are names of the alphabet for each one. And we'll see for each letter we have a capital letter and a lowercase letter here. Okay, so now let's go on to the different types of sounds. We've got two main types of sounds. We've got consonants or vowel sounds. Okay, so our vowel sounds, they are open sounds. So our mouth is open and no part of our mouth is blocking the airway. So your tongue, your teeth, your lips, they're not blocking the airways when you say these sounds. You're open, your mouth is open. And the vowels are in green, and we have short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Okay, so let's do short vowel sounds first. We got a, e, a. So there we've got the short vowel sounds, and they can also make long vowel sounds, okay? Long vowel sounds. And these are the long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so there we've got the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. Now, the letters in blue, they are consonant sounds, okay? And consonant sounds are different to vowel sounds, as maybe a part of the mouth is blocking the airway a little. Maybe your teeth are together, or your lips start together and they open up, or your tongue is moving in a way just to block the airway. So these are consonant letters, these are closed sounds, okay, closed sounds. So let's go through these then. And the consonant letters are in blue. We've got B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q. Okay, it needs a U here for the Q. It needs a U to make the Q sound. R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so there we have the consonant sounds, which are closed sounds. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics Channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. So thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a like on the video, like the video, and remember to subscribe so you can see future videos. Subscribe. Also share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. Share. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Comment. Thank you very much.